I found this kayak on Facebook Marketplace for 150 bucks. It's C3, and this is the first time I've gone paddling out in the canal. And actually the guy who was selling it, he was around the corner, so I just walked to his house. It was like a 10-minute walk, and then he helped me put it in the water, and I'm paddling it back. I just had to get a life vest and everything, but this is how far back it goes, all the way down. I mean, the bay opens up. This is my first time out in the canal, so this is awesome. I've seen some really cool birds swooping in and catching fish, and yeah, it's beautiful back here. So the boys are going to be fishing this weekend, and that's why I got this kayak. They're going to have a blast. All right, thanks for tuning in.